Turning natural Castile soap into foaming soap is easy and a pleasure to use for everyone. It's both eco-friendly and gentle on skin. For this recipe, I'll be using Soapworks Pure Vegetable Glycerin Soap because it's very moisturizing, and Dr. Bronner's Unscented Baby Castile Soap. For the glycerin soap, I use 3 parts soap to 1 part distilled water. Distilled water will ensure the soap stays transparent. I like to scent mine with 1 teaspoon of pure almond extract. It's optional, but it does smell lovely with it. Give it a gentle shake and it's ready to use. The fluffy, creamy texture provides excellent coverage, making washing your hands an enjoyable experience. Because Dr. Bronner's Castile soap is super concentrated, you only need 1 part soap to 3 parts water. I make small amounts, refilling my soap bottle every few days to ensure the soap stays fresh. I really like these foaming soap bottles. They are so easy to use, and after constant use of over 3 months, they are still working like new. If you're looking for non-toxic body wash, shampoo, and dish soap, you should try Penny Lane Organics. Made with just a few clean ingredients, these products leave your hair and skin baby soft. I love their unscented formula. It smells so clean, and their products come in large refill bottles. The Castile soap is great for dishwashing. I use baking soda and a few pumps of the Penny Lane Organics Castile soap to create an all-purpose scrubbing paste that cleans and polishes. Works great without the nasty fumes from conventional cleaning products. Have you heard of Swedish dishcloths? They are very strong, super absorbent, reusable cloths made from wood pulp and cotton. They are fast drying, can easily be washed and reused up to 6 months, replacing up to 15 paper towel rolls. Once they are worn out, you can simply put them in your compost bin. They come in beautiful prints too. Since purchasing these, I barely use paper towels anymore. If you want to try an eco-friendly, zero-waste option for washing dishes, I recommend using a solid dish soap bar. They lather up nicely and clean well. And if you use your kitchen often, this silicone drip catcher is a must. It lets the water drain right off, keeping the sink area dry. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you tried any of these products, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you soon.